11 healthiest foods with no carbs and no sugar. Want to lose weight, burn fat faster, and boost your energy, all without starving yourself. The secret isn't in fancy diet plans or extreme workouts. It's in the right foods. Nutrient-dense, carb-free, and sugar-free options that help your body function at its best. In this video, we're revealing 11 of the healthiest foods that contain zero carbs and zero sugar. Foods that can help you lose weight, reduce cravings, and keep your metabolism in top shape. So if you're serious about burning fat, staying healthy, and feeling amazing, stick around to the end. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and nutrition videos. Let's get started. 1. Eggs, a complete nutrition powerhouse. Eggs are completely sugar-free and contain only trace amounts of carbs, making them one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. They are packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and healthy fats, all of which help build muscle, repair tissues, and keep you full for longer. In addition to being a great source of choline and lecithin, eggs support brain function and liver health. These compounds help break down fat stored in the liver, aiding in weight loss and metabolism regulation. How many eggs should you eat? Experts recommend 2 to 4 eggs per day for optimal nutrition and appetite control. By eating eggs, you'll stay fuller for longer, reducing cravings for snacks and junk food. Low-carb ways to eat eggs: boiled, scrambled, or poached for a quick protein-rich meal. Mixed with cheese and herbs for a nutrient-dense omelette. Made into deviled eggs using sugar-free mayo. Baked with avocado for a creamy, healthy fat boost. 2. Butter. Pure butter is a zero-carb, sugar-free fat that nourishes your body without spiking blood sugar. However, to get the full benefits, avoid butter mixed with vegetable oils and stick to high-quality grass-fed butter. Butter is a rich source of retinol, vitamin A, vitamin E, and K2, all essential for eye health, skin repair, and bone strength. It also contains healthy saturated fats which support hormone production, including insulin, estrogen, and testosterone, key players in fat metabolism and weight regulation. Many people fear butter due to its cholesterol content, but your body needs cholesterol to produce essential hormones and maintain cell function. Butter also helps the gallbladder release bile, which is necessary for breaking down and digesting fats efficiently. Low-carb ways to enjoy butter. Melt over steamed vegetables for enhanced flavor and nutrition. Blend into coffee, bulletproof coffee, for an energy boost. Cook eggs and meats in butter for added healthy fats. Spread on low-carb bread or keto pancakes for a satisfying meal. 3. Kale. Kale is a powerhouse of nutrition with zero sugar and almost no carbs, making it a perfect addition to a low-carb lifestyle. Unlike starchy vegetables, kale provides essential nutrients without spiking blood sugar levels. It contains twice the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas, all while being rich in fiber to support digestion and gut health. Additionally, kale is loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. It also supplies vitamin K, crucial for bone health and proper blood clotting. How to enjoy kale without extra carbs. Lightly steam as a nutrient-dense side dish. Blend into smoothies for a low-carb energy boost. Toss into salads with olive oil and lemon juice. Add to soups or stir-fries for extra fiber and minerals. 4. Pecans. Pecans are a zero-sugar, low-carb nut, making them an excellent choice for those managing blood sugar levels. They contain only 1 g of net carbs per serving, making them one of the best nuts for a ketogenic or low-carb diet. High in soluble fiber, pecans help control blood sugar levels while keeping you full and reducing cravings. These nuts are also loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and metabolic function. Pecans provide important micronutrients like zinc, copper, and vitamin B1, essential for immune support, energy production, and brain function. Low-carb ways to eat pecans. Enjoy a small handful as a snack without the carb spike. Sprinkle chopped pecans over plain Greek yogurt. Mix with sugar-free dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao, for a guilt-free treat. Use as a topping for low-carb salads or desserts. 5. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are a carb-free, sugar-free superfood packed with nutrients while being low in calories and fat-free. They provide a rich source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals without adding carbs to your diet, making them an ideal choice for weight loss and blood sugar control. Mushrooms contain powerful antioxidants like ergothioneine and selenium, which protect cells from damage and support immune function. Some varieties, like shiitake and maitake, have compounds that may help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Ways to enjoy mushrooms without extra carbs: saute with garlic and butter for a flavorful, low-carb dish. Add to omelets or stir-fries for extra nutrition. Blend into soups or stews for a rich, hearty meal. Use as a meat substitute in burgers or tacos for a filling, carb-free option. 6. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil. The perfect balance of nutrients and healthy fats. Avocados are sugar-free, ultra-low carb, and rich in healthy fats, making them one of the best foods for energy and weight management. They are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, and support brain function. Avocados also contain potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B, which balance hormones, improve insulin resistance, and promote fat burning. Extra virgin olive oil, often called liquid gold, is another carb-free, sugar-free superfood packed with oleocanthal and oleuropein, two powerful compounds known for their anti-inflammatory and liver-protecting benefits. How to enjoy avocados and olive oil without carbs. Mash avocado and mix with lime juice for a low-carb guacamole. Drizzle olive oil over salads or roasted vegetables. Blend avocado into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich texture. Use olive oil as a base for homemade salad dressings. 7. Cheese, a delicious and nutrient-dense dairy option. Cheese is a zero-sugar, low-carb dairy option that provides a concentrated dose of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K2, essential for bone strength, immune support, and cardiovascular health. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins that fuel the brain, boost focus, and support muscle maintenance. The calcium in cheese is absorbed more efficiently compared to plant-based sources, making it ideal for strengthening bones, teeth, and nails. For the best benefits, opt for high-quality cheeses from grass-fed cows or goats, which contain a superior nutrient profile. Low-carb cheese choices: cheddar, camembert, brie, and halloumi for rich flavor and nutrition. Goat cheese or mozzarella for easy digestion. Hard cheeses like Parmesan for a flavorful addition to meals. 8. Herbs and spices. Fresh herbs and spices are completely sugar-free and carb-free, making them essential for weight loss and blood sugar control. Unlike processed seasonings, herbs and spices are loaded with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and phytonutrients that support digestion and detoxification. Herbs like mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme add flavor without calories or carbs. Meanwhile, spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander, black pepper, and ginger aid in liver health, metabolism, and fat burning. Ways to use herbs and spices without carbs. Add fresh herbs to salads, eggs, or soups. Sprinkle cinnamon or turmeric into smoothies or coffee. Use black pepper and ginger in stir-fries or roasted meats. 9. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. Cauliflower, along with other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, arugula, bok choy, cabbage, and collard greens, is sugar-free, very low in carbs, and incredibly nutrient-dense. These vegetables contain powerful phytochemicals that detoxify the liver, eliminate toxins, and enhance metabolism. They also provide essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help lower insulin resistance and improve fat burning. Low-carb ways to eat cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. Use cauliflower rice as a low-carb alternative to grains. Roast Brussels sprouts with olive oil for a crispy, healthy dish. Blend steamed cauliflower into soups for a creamy texture. Make a crunchy cabbage salad with olive oil and lemon. 10. Red meat. High-quality grass-fed red meat is completely free of sugar and carbs, making it a top source of pure protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. It is packed with iron, vitamin B12, and creatine, which boost energy, improve muscle function, and support red blood cell production. Grass-fed beef and lamb contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which have been linked to reduced body fat and improved heart health. Low-carb ways to eat red meat. Grill steak with garlic butter for a nutrient-packed meal. Slow-cook lamb with rosemary and spices for a rich, flavorful dish. Pan-fry beef liver for a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. 11. Seafood. Seafood is naturally carb-free and sugar-free, making it one of the best sources of lean protein, omega-3 fats, and essential nutrients. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with EPA and DHA, which support brain function, heart health, and inflammation control. Shellfish, including shrimp, crab and oysters, provide a rich source of zinc, selenium and vitamin B12, essential for immune support, metabolism and energy production. Low-carb ways to eat seafood. Grill salmon with olive oil and lemon for a nutrient-rich meal. Sauté shrimp in butter and garlic for a quick, flavorful dish. Bake sardines with fresh herbs for a low-carb protein boost. Add canned tuna or salmon to salads for a high-protein meal. Conclusion. These incredible foods prove that you don't need carbs or sugar to fuel your body the right way. By adding them to your diet, you'll boost your energy, support weight loss, and stay on track with your health goals. Now, it's time to take action. Which of these foods will you start eating today? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and nutrition videos. See you in the next one.